It's a strange kind of phase when you let go. Let your life flow like a river. Break away from material ego. You never know what's around the corner for you. We all got our beefs and our struggles, but we keep on trying to hide it. Working so hard to keep it together. Maybe it's time that we let go. We're moving on one step at a time to something better. We're moving on one step at a time to something better. Say we're moving on one step at a time to something better. We're moving on one step at a time to something better. Maybe the day will be better. Okay, deep in a world of secrets, that's where you find the magic. Easy to disbelieve it, difficult to imagine. We are unstoppable if we break down the walls, yeah. We all got our beefs and our struggles, but we keep on trying to hide it. Working so hard to keep it together. Maybe it's time that we let go. We're moving on one step at a time to something better. We're moving on one step at a time to something better. Say we're moving on one step at a time to something better. We're moving on one step at a time to something better. Maybe the day will be better. Maybe the day will be better.
I used to stick around, definitely not for too long. But boy, you got me hooked and made me wanna write this song. Thought all guys are the same, apparently I was wrong. Let me take you somewhere where we could be alone. You know how people say it caught me unexpected. Well, I really wasn't prepared for all of this love and affection. Normally I would be scared, but I'm aware that you're special. So let me take us somewhere where we could be alone. When I look at you, I see a pretty picture. You're the sun, I'm the sky, and we're so complete. Let me water you, my flower, I'll teach you how to open up real nice, baby. Why don't we give it a go? Let's dive in a pool of love and sweet. Why don't we give it a go? See, there's nothing in the world like you and me. If it's up to me, I won't go to work for a week. No, I won't. Just to stay in bed with you, cuddle and watch TV. Don't care about anything, I know you do the same for me. So let's stay here all day and hide in the sheets. Baby, we deserve a celebration. When we meet, I feel like I'm on vacation. I think I finally find my best friend. Am I tripping or is this for real? Yeah. Why don't we give it a go? Yeah. Let's dive in a pool of love and swim. Yeah. Why don't we give it a go? See, there's nothing in the world like you and me. Ooh, why don't we give it a go? Let's dive in a pool of love and swim.
know